See, I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear.
My people, I'll be like bicycle as Yul Edochie don't finally come out, contact the general public, say in Judy Austin will like buy. Even I like make una talk from now till thy kingdom come. It will not change the love I have for this woman. This woman, the love of my life. This woman, the mother of my kid. I love her so I can even give up my life for her. I dey hear waiting on her, they talk behind us, even for our friend, but that one no concern us as our love is waxing stronger. My people no be small thing. Which kind thing be this one? Which kind love be this one? He even talk say he heard that a lot of people they talk say Judy Austin they use juju for him. Say even for inside bottle he no one come out. Chai, I get so many questions to ask. Which one I go start from? I want to ask, is it now that Yul Edochie don't find true love? Was made the problem in the marriage? Because I no come understand this kind love where they just they display. I mean, you just they do all these things just to get back at me. Because you get some kind of people where go live your life. Or more, you go to do anything just for them to see that you are fine and you are living fine without them. When inside you know, say you are missing such people. Now, what thing Yul Edochie they do so? I mean, this not true love where he don't finally see. My people waiting be your opinion. Drop your comment for comment section. You know, now as they do them for here, this channel na Proco News with the carry come. Just where the totori body, just where the totori brain. As then they cook am na so we dey help them carry on give una. It's your amiable girl Cindy. If you find this channel and page helpful, please do give us a follow. Subscribe to our channel. Give us thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications so whenever we drop story like this, you'll be the first to be notified. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Oh, yeah. And I think that we should stay. See, I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. It will make me feel like somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah.